Hey parents, buckle up, homeschooling heroes, because today we're diving headfirst into the curriculum jungle. It's a wild world out there, filled with more choices than a zoo gift shop with a one-armed monkey as the manager. Don't worry, I won't be throwing you to the lions, metaphorically speaking, unless you really like lions, in which case more power to you. Why homeschool, you ask? Well, the reasons are as diverse as a toddler's sock drawer after a laundry day gone wrong. Maybe you crave personalized learning, a schedule as flexible as a yoga instructor, or just want to instill the value of never judging a book by its cover, even if it's covered in glitter and macaroni art. Whatever your reason, finding the right curriculum is like finding the golden ticket to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Crucial, exciting, and potentially messy. First things first, crack the code of your child's learning style. Are they a visual whiz who could decipher hieroglyphics before breakfast? Or maybe they're a hands-on explorer who learns best by building erupting volcanoes. Bonus points for lava made of mashed potatoes. Understanding how your kiddo absorbs information is like having a map through the curriculum jungle. It saves you from getting lost amongst the towering textbooks and singing grammar CDs. Yes, those exist. But it's not just about your child's style, it's about your educational philosophy too. Think of it like choosing your Hogwarts house. Gryffindor for the classical education, Ravenclaw for the unschooling approach, and maybe a hint of Hufflepuff for a Waldorf-inspired adventure. Your philosophy shapes not just the curriculum, but your whole homeschooling vibe, from the daily schedule to the overall atmosphere. Think Hogwarts meets your living room, minus the moving staircases, was hopefully. Now let's talk budget, because homeschooling ain't exactly free unless you count the endless supply of coffee required. Don't be fooled by the fancy, all-inclusive curriculum packages that cost more than a dragon's hoard of gold. Remember, the most expensive option isn't always the best. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can craft a rich learning experience without breaking the bank. Think DIY projects, educational documentaries, and epic library adventures. Flexibility is key, my friends. Homeschooling is beautiful because it bends and adapts to life's crazy twists and turns. A rigid curriculum might look good on paper, but if it can't handle the occasional impromptu dance party or sudden obsession with knitting pot holders, it might not be the right fit. Remember, learning shouldn't feel like being trapped in a museum with a grumpy docent. And don't forget the power of the homeschooling community. These folks are like your own personal Gandalf the Grey, guiding you through the Balrog of curriculum confusion. Seek advice, share experiences, and learn from each other's triumphs and maybe not so triumphs. Choosing a curriculum isn't a one-time deal. As your child grows and changes, hopefully not into a fire-breathing dragon, your approach might need to adapt too. Don't stress if what worked last year feels like last season's fashion. The beauty of homeschooling is the freedom to tailor the learning journey to your unique child. But wait, there's more. For core subjects like math, reading, and language arts, sometimes a structured foundation is key. Enter the textbook trio, where ArgoPrep's award-winning workbooks step in like a friendly bartender, offering colorful layouts, engaging activities, and even video explanations for every question. Think of it as having a mini tutor tucked right inside the book. They're aligned with national standards, giving you the freedom to explore other areas while your child masters essential skills. So, dear listeners, embrace the curriculum conundrum. It's an adventure, a learning experience, and a chance to create something truly special for your child. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, so grab your machete, metaphorical of course, put on your explorer hat, and get ready to have some fun in the learning jungle. Until next time, happy homeschooling, and may the odds and the curriculum choices be ever in your favor. P.S. If you have any hilarious homeschooling stories or curriculum fails, we've all been there. Share them in the comments below. Laughter is the best medicine, even when it comes to educational mishaps.